currently using MTN, Glo and Airtel, all the data plans and packages are now very much expensive. The problem currently is not because it's expensive. The problem is that this data can no more last again. Like if you purchase for 30 days, that is 1 month, within a space of 1 week, 2 weeks, you find out that the data is no more there. So in this video, I'm going to be showing the secret code and the secret options on this network application that can allow you to get more data. I'm going to simply be giving you the cheapest code for purchasing the internet data, whether you're using MTN, Glo or Airtel. All right, this video is focused on 2 different phases. All right, so the phase 1, I'm going to simply be showing you the application of this network, how you can purchase data that will last more longer for you, and the bonuses you can get from that application. All right, so after the app section, then we're going to simply head straight to the code that we can simply use to purchase your data at a cheaper rate. If you're ready, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, and give this video a thumbs up. All right, so this is what we have here. We have the MTN application. All right, so you can simply go ahead and download this app from your Play Store or your iOS App Store. All right, so first of all, when you download the application newly, they're going to give you a bonus for downloading the application, up to 5 gig bonus, depending on how constantly you purchase data from their network. All right, so if you've been purchasing data from your mobile phone and you eventually decided to go ahead and download the application, then they're going to simply give you a bonus, a welcome bonus for using the app. Okay, and on this very section, they're going to simply give you a hot deal. These hot deals are bonuses. All right, you can purchase a data of 2.5 gig. All right, that's a half of 5 gig. All right, so you can simply click on this claim button. When you click on the claim button right here, then you can simply purchase this for yourself. Okay, but remember, this is not all. Okay, so if you come over to this section right here that says buy data, when you click on this button, these are bonuses that you can simply use to buy your own data. And you can see right here we have the top data me. So under the data bundle right here, you're going to see we have the daily plan, we have weekly plan, and we have the monthly plan. Or these ones right here are going to simply give you cheaper data. So if you're purchasing data with this particular strategy, it is going to last longer for you. All right, it's not a plan where you buy a 7 days data and within 2 days it is gone without you using it. No, so if you're purchasing with this strategy, it's going to last more longer for you. Okay, Airtel, this is what you're going to see under the Airtel plan right here. These are the best plan under this section. These are the best pack that you can simply use. Right, so I will advise you to purchase from the application. It is more cheaper and also last more longer if you purchase from the application. All right, so even if you are sticking with the USD code, then make sure you watch to the end, because I'm going to show you the secret code to purchase cheaper data and that will last more longer for you. Okay, so with the network app, you can simply purchase data that will last more longer for you and also get cheaper for you. Right, so make sure you go ahead and download the application from Play Store and iOS App Store. Right, so if you've done that, hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel. So if you come over to this very session, you're going to see why we have the cheapest data plan. So I've already documented this. So to save this, for you to save this or maybe copy them and save on your WhatsApp, just make sure you check out the link in the video description or the comment section. All right, and as you did know, currently both MTN, Airtel and Glo are all using *312#, but these cheaper rate codes might not be working for every network. Okay, so make sure you focus on your own network and the code I'm going to call for your network. Okay, so you can simply go ahead and utilize this. The first code right here is the smart MTN 30-day data pack. Okay, so if you type this *312*888#, it is going to simply give you 1 gig plus 500 bonus. All right, that's 500 MB. Okay, so it's going to simply give you 1 gig plus 500 MB, that is 1.5 gig for just 200 naira. Okay, so remember, this valid for 30 days. Okay, it means it will stay on your account if you don't use it for 30 days. All right, but if you use it and consume all of them in 1 day, all of them will vanish. Okay, so it doesn't mean that it is going to be there for like 30 days. Just make sure you understand this. So if you purchase 1.5 gig for 30 days, remember, it is not going to be enough for you. If you're always online 247 and your business is online 247, make sure you do this one particular thing. Okay, so since you're getting 1.5 gig for 200, make sure you invest like let's say 2,000 naira or 1,000 naira to make sure you double it. Okay, all you have to do is simply dial this for 5 times. It is going to simply give you 5 gig plus 2.5 bonus. All right, and that is over 7.5 gig. Okay, that is 1,000 naira. And you have it into 10 places, that is 2,000 naira. Okay, and this is going to simply last for 30 days if you recharge all of them same day. Okay, but if you don't have 1000 naira to spare, just go ahead with your 200 naira stuff. It is going to simply help you a lot. Just dial *312, that is the first code, *888/#. Okay, that is the first code. Okay, so for the Airtel users, for you to get bonus and also a cheaper data at cheaper rate, all you need to do is simply dial in, which is *312 *1*1#. Okay, you can show out here. This is the code you're going to simply dial, *312 *1*1#. Okay, all right, so this particular code right here, which you can see right here, helps you get more cheaper data that can last more longer for you. Okay, so this is basically for business owners. Okay, and even if you don't have business or you have your business focused online, you can simply use this plan if you're using Airtel. Okay, if you're using the both network, make sure you try them out on both network to make sure you save money for yourself. Okay, so for 3000 naira plan, you can get over 10 gig. Okay, this is going to be lasting for like 30 days. Okay, as you already know. Then for 10,000 naira, you can get 50 gig, and remember this 50 gig will last more longer for you because of this code that you're using. All right, so make sure you dial the correct code, which is *312 *1*1#. All right, so that is that for Airtel. But some people are using Glo and other network. Okay, so if you're using Glo and other network, both MTN, Glo, Airtel, all you need to do is to dial *121 then #. Okay, so this particular code right here works for every other network like MTN, Glo, Airtel, and all of that. Okay, and if you dial *121 #, then this code right here is for smart data. All right, so this smart data can give you over 80 gig. Okay, and if you dial that, you're going to see options like 14,000 naira option, you're going to see 16,000 naira option, you're going to see 25,000 naira option for 140 gig, for 110 gig, and also for 80 gig. Okay, remember these things right here are going to last for 30 days. Okay, so if you do heavy stuff, that you can go with this particular plan and stay safer and also cheaper. Okay, no matter where you're watching from, so don't get you're using MTN, Glo, Airtel, and every other network. Okay, so you need to do right now, simply go ahead and dial all of these codes coupled with the strategy I've already reviewed from the beginning of the video. Make sure you go ahead and download their application, because the application is going to simply give you more opportunities. So if you have the application, whenever you log in, so long as you are active on the network, they're going to be rolling out some network bonuses and all of that. Okay, giving out free data and cheaper data at ease from the application. All right, all you need to do is simply go ahead and download the application and make sure that whatever update that comes up on the application, go ahead and update your application to get recent update and what is happening on your own network. Okay, and with this you're going to be saving more money for data. You're also going to be having more data that will last for a long time. Okay, so if you got value from this very video, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, and comment your network down below. Then I'm going to simply be revealing those ones that are actively working and that will work for you instantly. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and join us on our Telegram channel to stay updated on what we do here. See you in the next video.